PlantQuest is a facility and asset mapping platform that allows you to transform a range of facility and maintenance workflows across life science and other large industrial facilities. These workflows include preventative and corrective maintenance planning, task execution, vendor planning, and staff onboarding and knowledge sharing. With PlantQuest saving facility and maintenance teams thousands of hours per year, let's look at some of the ways that you can do similar. Let's begin by imagining you have been tasked with carrying out work on one of the facility's boilers. Using PlantQuest, you can simply search the asset by its tag, and instantly, you'll see its precise location. Now looking to the left of your screen, you'll find valuable information about the asset, along with any notes or photos uploaded by your colleagues. If you've integrated PlantQuest with your existing facility systems, this information is seamlessly pulled from such systems, ensuring real-time accuracy. Let's now explore another scenario. You have a contractor arriving on site, or perhaps you need your team to service multiple PW drop valves. Using PlantQuest's filters, workers can now effortlessly locate and access metadata for all PW drop valves across your facility. If the task that you are required to complete is a routine task, PlantQuest allows you to have these routines pre-saved. To view the assets within this task, simply load all your pre-saved work packs before selecting the task of interest. Now that you have seen how PlantQuest can help you execute tasks, let's have a look at how it can help deliver additional insights and context when it comes to planning. Get eyes on the ground, allowing workers to gain an understanding of what a specific room, area, or asset looks like, or overlay a range of data onto your facility maps. This data may include room or area types, points of interest, permits, or IoT data. This holistic view of your facility allows your teams to make smarter, quicker, and safer decisions. Now that you've glimpsed the power of the desktop application, let's take a look at how PlantQuest can help you in the field. For this example, let's look at how PlantQuest can help a member of the maintenance team complete a routine task on all the facility's temperature transmitters in a fraction of the time. If this is a new task that hasn't been created in PlantQuest before, similar to the desktop application, you simply search or filter for the assets you would like to add to this new task. Upon saving the task, you are informed of all the information required to complete this task safely and efficiently. With the task now saved, and your starting point inputted, you will be asked if you would like PlantQuest to optimize the way in which you complete the task, and visit each of the individual assets. With this accepted, you can now move from asset to asset, viewing the optimal route from one to another, ensuring that no time is wasted in the field. To learn more about how we can revolutionize your workflows and streamline your operations, contact us at info@plantquest.com.